Yeah, I got it.
Everything up to the island.
Well, that vehicle's there right now. Whoa.
Now people say, did you get to see it? I'll say, yep, it's not to see the third one.
You see it going over the barrier?
I don't want to see one again. But the damage is good.
Whoa.
Yeah, right down there.
Yeah, if we get up here. That's all. I
think the bridge is gone. The little bridge they pulled out up on the side. I think it's gone now. They go down, heading for the Rio. Heading for the Rio. Oh, you see it still. Yeah, that barrier didn't stay still.
I don't know.
Oh, you're right. I bet the picnic table's on the other. Oh, that little tree's gonna go if it's not careful. Look at it. It's leaning.
Why is it looking as big as that?
That's what makes me sad. It's not.
Traffic sign.
It's not. Not think about moving it.
They should move that truck.
They should, really. Just in case.
Back up on that.
Because the grounds were saturated too, so everyone can act a little different, right? Just different, they're a little bit different.
Yeah.
They're gonna go take a flash. Oh, and that one president, I think they're finally went upright. Our bear box might go too.
Oh, there's the food. The bear box is food.
It's lighter. The others are talking, but it doesn't.
Couldn't turn the car.
Yeah, we don't want to see that now.
No.
That would make for an interesting video.
Look at that. Look at the rock.
Oh my God.
Oh, maybe.
I hope so. The picnic table's going. Picnic table's going. Ouch. Oh, I hear something cracking. Did you just hear trees?
Look at those.
Oh, look at the trees coming over. Oh, my heart. Oh, it just hurts to watch that. Everything else will be fine, but all that stuff is sad.
Oh, I wonder if we grab that sign down there. That sign. Actually, the traffic sign's gone. The yellow one I can give you. Yeah. So that's the traffic sign.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, there goes the other sign. I guess we should have moved those. The red box moved, I think now it's up.
Looks like the barrier is still in place, but it's
Oh my gosh. Look at that. So did you have any tip the wall where it's just coming over?
Yeah.
I'm glad the camera has that.
Covered in barrier.
oh, you can't see it.
It is a barrier.
No.
Yeah. You can see the top of the barrier. Look.
Oh! You just see at the end where it let go? That's where the barrier just let go.
It's got a big wall of water there.
People would say, oh, well, it's sort of protected by the energy products. You're like,
Some of those screens from the side.
It's looking higher than the other one.
I think it's pretty close.
and that's here. The last one was there, and it's down here.
Right.
Well, I don't know. I thought there was. No.
It was just starting to come down. It went back up.
It was at a 7 or 8.
So I imagine I am a little worried about this. We might want the road out, though. We might have to keep the road out. No, I don't. It's white mountain. Oh, yeah.
It is a long hike.
No, I don't want to already. It's out. It's really hot.
car I
I drove around some of them. I wasn't sure.
Yeah, I know. I just have to
I'm surprised the commission drove around.
I had to go like the other side. All the training is ready to go. Oh yeah, what? You know the views that we had on the old other videos was from there. We didn't show those. So we could go down there. Oh, by the ABC road. Go over there and take a video. Yeah. I mean, well, it's not like over there, but over there.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.